And welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change email how to change email profile picture. Now let's get started. First, open your Gmail, this one, so you just click on it, and after this, in here you just click on the profile and then click on manage your Google account. And after this, in here, if you wanna change this profile picture, so you just click on the picture, and after this, in here you can set a profile photo. Now you can take a photo or you can choose the photo. So I choose the photo from the gallery, and in here you can choose the photo that you want to add. You want to add this one, so you just click on the photo and click on accept at the bottom. You can waiting until the process has been finished. Okay, and after this, in here you can go back and finish. Now you can change your profile picture on Google. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.